In this section, we can create new users or we can modify existing users. So now we will see how we can create a new user ID. To create a new user ID, you need to click on Add New User. Enter first name of user, then last name of user, service number and rank are optional field. Enter login ID as per your choice. Enter password. Enter confirm password. Type of department like department, ward, polyclinic, dispensary, medical store, procurement cell, receipt cell, issue section, and other medical unit. I'll be creating user ID for one department, gyne, OPD. In group, you can choose the applicable group. Group define the rights to the user. Since this is the department, I'll choose department ward indent. It means user can raise indent, user can see reports, user can expense item, and do all the activities related to ward department management except approval. In case we wish to assign approval rights as well, then we will choose department ward indent approval. Usually this group should be assigned to MOIC of wards and department only. Laser access. Wards and department can raise indent either from regular store or ECHS store. Based on your requirement, you can choose either of these two, or you can simply choose select laser. It means this department can raise indent from both store. Then choose status. IP address is a optional field. In case if you want to restrict a user ID with some specific computer, then you can enter IP address as well. As you can see, the moment I click on save, I got a message record added successfully. It means user has been created. Next, we'll see item catalog master. Item catalog is a collection of all the nomenclatures applicable to unit. As you can see, there are many nomenclature already added into software. In case you wish to add a new item, then you can use item catalog management. We will add one item for your information. To add a new item, you need to click on Add New Item Catalog link. As you can see, there are so many form fields, but star mark fields are mandatory, rest are optional field. So here I have added tablet paracetamol 650 mg. Dhanvantri barcode gets generated automatically by system. This can be used when barcode gets implemented. You can choose appropriate section, PVMS or NIV, accounting unit, procurement type. In case of RC, you will get additional form field like RC number, RC validity, and local authorized dealer. Item category is expendable. Control item, if you choose yes, then this item can be dispensed only by scanning a barcode. CDL item, common drug list. These are optional, you can leave it blank. So I got a message record added successfully. So we are done with one part of adding nomenclature into system. Now we will proceed for second step. Second step can be performed using item master. In item master, we simply link a nomenclature with a laser. To add a item and link with laser, you need to click on add new item. Here you can see this item I have added into catalog master. And now I got a laser choice, FMSD, DGLP and ECHS. I'll choose DGLP and I leave these parameter as blank. This can be updated later. So item get added and it is linked with DGLP laser now. Next, accounting unit management. Here we can add accounting unit like number, strips, while, ampule. Most options are already added. In case you wish to add a new accounting unit, you can click on add new accounting unit. Enter accounting unit and click on save button. This is what department management. In this section, we can add wards, department, dispensary, and other MI room of your unit. These ward departments are already added. In case you wish to add a new department, you can always click on add new ward department. Department type, let's say ward. Family ward. These are optional field in case of ward and department. Click on save. Department added successfully. Laser management. Here you can see there are three laser, FMSD, DGLP and ECHS. So whenever you start this software, you need to update the control number of various transaction like IV, CIV, RV and CRV. So we'll take example of DGLP laser. Click on this pencil button. Here you can see there are so many control number parameter, voucher format, IV format, CIV format and so on. You can update your last control number respective to each control parameter and then click on save. System will generate these control number from next incremented number. Next, this is supplier management where you can add your supplier. To add a new supplier, you need to click on add new supplier link, supplier name, type will be always supplier, Sensi supplier code. All vendors are supposed to register on Dhanvantri web portal where they get a unique supplier code. Address, state, pin code, PAN number, GST number, and rest of the fields are optional. You can add as per your choice. Finally, click on Save button. So you will get a message from system, record added successfully. Next is the backup management. This is a very important part of any system. You should make a practice of taking backup by end of each working day. It will prevent you from a crash or accidental disaster. You can restore or recover your all data if you take backup of your software on a regular basis. So we have covered all the sections of control panel and remaining sections can be covered in upcoming video tutorial. Thank you.